One of the things that you all asked for was, hey, we want to hear more from our peers. Almost 40% of the content is being run by you and industry experts.
In order to be legitimate, you do have to have a true SOC team.
So that was the real impetus for spinning off that business.
My name is Tennille Marwelli. I work for a company called Red Letter. My role in making sure that our MSP is known. Market Builder has been my saving grace in that.
Evolution where MSSP takes that gap and says, hey, I can make it better, easier, and faster for you.
Hey, Nation, Harry here.
This isn't about enable, it's a reflection of you, what you've done for this market and what the innovators backstage have done for this market.
We've got the shortest arms in the world, but can we try and do a selfie? Can everybody just throw up like a number 1? All right, let's do this.
Planning for when something happens. And what are you going to do? How do you investigate it? How do you not forget everything that you know?
Those ports don't need to be open. In fact, in most of your workstations, they don't need to have any ports open at all.
The economies of scale are so much bigger when you start looking at these opportunities, and it really allows you to leverage existing skill sets, but in a new way.
There's a big difference between support and security, right?
I know what you're going to say, but I want to hear you say it.
Go on, you say it. You say it. See if my lesson has got through. Come on.
The white tooth people.
There we go.
This is really predicated on us having a very strong relationship.
It's about the content and it's about the customers. It's not about us and it's not about a big party. It's about attending, listening to our customers, exchanging best practices.
Like many things in life, you get out of it what you put into it. I need you to engage. I need you to have conversations with one another. We're all in the industry together, and everything we can do to make one another better, share your victories, share your approaches.
You had the questions before, didn't you?
No, I didn't actually, Mike. I'm just really good at this kind of stuff, because you taught me.